It is the Bitcoin calm before the storm right now, because Bitcoin is about to create a massive move. Just like the last time, well, Bitcoin history is right now exactly repeating, so this is going to be the time to be getting ready, because a massive move is about to be created. We need to be talking about that exactly, about Ethereum, because Ethereum is absolutely exploding, so make sure to push up that like button, and as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that we are still pretty much consolidating underneath our previous all-time high. Now, in that short term, we are right now developing a new rising wedge formation, and at the same time, of course, we already broke out towards the upside outside of this symmetrical triangle. Now, we have retested this breakout, but in my opinion, a way better way to have a look into what's a Bitcoin chart right now is going to be to have a look into what's this rising wedge formation. And yes, this is actually going to be more kind of a bearish biased pattern, and on top of that, we are going to be leading in towards our weekend. So for the short term, well, you may not like it, but I think it is going to be more likely to see some more consolidation before eventually coming next week, we are going to be breaking our all-time high. But well, what you need to understand is that basically consolidation below the previous all-time high is actually going to be a very bullish thing. Okay, this is actually exactly what we have also seen in the previous cycle. Last time Bitcoin broke above its all-time high, well, before that we saw a huge consolidation below our previous all-time high, and whenever we actually broke above, well, then we pumped straight with about 22%. So yes, in that short term, we might be seeing some more consolidation, but this is going to be our calm before the storm, and this is going to be the moment to be preparing ourselves for that next Bitcoin move, because whenever we are finally going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, well, that is when the Bitcoin price is going to be exploding. Now, during this consolidation, probably altcoins are already going to be exploding towards the upside. This is what we are seeing right now. Ethereum is absolutely blasting off towards the upside. My altcoins that I've been buying are also up by so much, but I will be talking about this a little bit later. First of all, to answer the question, why am I still going to be so bullish on the Bitcoin price, and why do I have such a strong conviction that eventually we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside? Well, we have been talking about so many indications for the last couple of weeks to the last couple of months, but first of all, Bitcoin history is exactly being repeated. We are quite literally seeing a supply shock happening right now. On that weekly time frame, the RSI indicators literally flashing parabolic bull market stages, just like the Bitcoin funding rates are also in this bull market territory. Of course, the trend is going to be your friend, and right now the trend is strongly towards the upside, so it is going to be more likely to see another move towards the upside being created than to see a correction happening. And on top of that, what I believe is happening right now is that institutions are front running the Bitcoin halving. So because of that, until the Bitcoin halving, which is going to be coming in about 40 days, well, we will just see more institutions actually buying up Bitcoin, which we are exactly seeing right now. And as a result of this, well, the Bitcoin price will just head higher and higher. So these are just going to be a few reasons of why I do think that this time around, once again, we are going to be seeing a mega pump happening whenever we are going to be breaking that all-time high. Now, on top of that, we can also be having a look into what's this chart. This chart is once again suggesting that yes, indeed, we are going to be seeing this doubling in price. But before that, if you want to be staying up to date about my exact Bitcoin trades, well, I am sharing all of it in my free VIP group with that link down below. So make sure to check it out right now. Have a look into what's the requirements, fill out this form, and you are going to be eligible for my free VIP group where I exactly share all of my Bitcoin trades. And well, if you are going to be interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out DEEPCOIN, because with that link down below, you can be claiming $220 by only depositing $100. And the best thing is that this exchange does not require any KYC and has no restrictions. So make sure to check it out with that link down below. And with that being said, yes, Bitcoin is right now exactly trying to be breaking above that previous all-time high, just like in the last cycle. Whenever we broke above that golden pocket Fibonacci level of resistance, well, we very quickly reached our previous all-time high, and we had some resistance at that level, just like we are currently having. Now, whenever we actually broke above that previous all-time high, well, we very quickly reached that 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance. And of course, the Bitcoin price very quickly doubled within about 18 days, just like in all of the 4 previous times. So yeah, this time around, once again, it can all go very quickly. Whenever we are going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, well, we can very quickly reset that 100k level, and we can very quickly double in price, just like last time around. But during this small consolidation underneath our previous all-time highs, well, altcoins are absolutely exploding towards the upside. So we need to be talking about that exactly for a minute, because already Ethereum is starting off its rally. And I have been saying for the last couple of weeks for so many times that altcoins are going to be next, and right now you want to be investing in towards altcoins, especially in towards these bullish narratives. I think all of these narratives are going to be doing so well this bull market. But well, because of Ethereum blasting off towards the upside, right now altcoins are especially doing very well. Now, in my opinion, it's just going to be a matter of time before Ethereum is going to be starting to outperform Bitcoin. I think this cycle, Ethereum is once again going to be outperforming Bitcoin, just like in all of the other previous cycles. So yeah, it is starting right now. I am making so much profits with my altcoins right now. But anyways, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.